Hello everyone, today is the Pokemon month of November, and if you want to play Pokemon Scarlet and Violet into your PC, then this is the video tutorial that you are looking for, because in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you where to get these files and how to install Yuzu emulator. So what is Yuzu emulator? Yuzu emulator is a Nintendo Switch emulator that can play Nintendo Switch into your PC. So you will need to have and install this app and the files that is here shown. Okay, so what you'll need to do, just open a web browser and just type in Yuzu emulator. And then go to the first result. This is their official website. Just click on the download and then download it for the Windows version. You can download here, the latest version. But if you want to manually download it, then you can download it here. There is a Linux and Windows version, okay? So I'm just gonna skip this part because I have already installed Yuzu emulator, and download and installation for this file is really easy to do. So I'm just gonna minimize this, and I'm gonna assume that you have installed Yuzu emulator now. So what's the next step? Once you have installed Yuzu emulator, this will not run Nintendo Switch games yet because you will need to have an installed Yuzu emulator with Nintendo Switch firmware, the latest version 15, and the latest Nintendo Switch keys, version 15 too, and then the Pokemon Scarlet and Violet in XCI file format. So where can you get these files? You can only get these files with a Nintendo Switch console that is modded and has a custom firmware, which you can access the Nintendo Switch files within it. So if you have that, then you can just copy that files into your PC. But if you don't, I will save you the hassle and I will teach you on where to get these files. So I'm not going to show you the website, but I'm going to be leaving a QR code here wherein you can scan that QR code and you will be redirected to that page wherein you can get the firmware, the keys, the Pokemon Scarlet and the Pokemon Violet files there. You can download it from there. So let's assume that you have downloaded the files and have it already into your PC. The next step is you need to open Yuzu emulator and then go to File, then go to Open Yuzu folder, and then go to NAND, go to System, go to Contents, then go to Register. Okay, then open the firmware file. And then all you need to do is just select all the files here, just drag and drop. If this is your first installation, this folder will be empty and that you will be filling up the files here with the firmware files. Then I'm just going to close on that, then go back to File, then go back to Open User folder, then go to Keys. Okay, and then what you need to do now is to open the Keys file here and then just drag and drop again. This will be empty if this is your first installation. So once you have done that, then your Yuzu emulator will start detecting and load your Nintendo Switch games, just like here as it has shown some titles of the games here. So what's the next step? The next step is to set up Yuzu emulator settings accordingly so that you will run Nintendo Switch games easily. So just pause this video if need be and copy my settings here. This is the General tab, then I'll go to the System tab. Just copy the files, the settings. Go to CPU. Accuracy should be auto. Then graphics. I've set it to 1440p with my native resolution. And go to audio. Set it all to auto. Then in controls, you can set your Nintendo Switch Pro controller here if you have one, or your PlayStation or Xbox controllers here. Then hit OK. And once you have done that, then you can be able to play Pokemon Scarlet and Pokemon Violet into your PC. I will not gonna show you that the game will boot up because since it's really early and that will cause some issues with Nintendo and YouTube, and this video tutorial might be taken down. So I'm just gonna skip that part, but that's how you usually set up Yuzu emulator and Pokemon Scarlet and Violet to play it into your PC. And not just Pokemon Scarlet and Violet, but all of the Nintendo Switch games that are available now. You can play that by following this video tutorial. And by this video tutorial, I hope that this is helpful and that if you have some questions or problems regarding the installation process of Yuzu emulator and how to get the files needed in order to run this game, then just leave a comment in the comment section below and I will try my best to answer all of them. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.